Hey everybody, Jake here. I want to show you a really quick, really cool trick for mounting flat surfaces to conduit. You probably recognize these. These are one-hole straps you can get off the shelf locally at home improvement or hardware stores. They make them for various sizes of EMT conduit, and they're really inexpensive. And we love recommending these for mounting flat surfaces to conduit. And what we normally recommend is oriented this way. It allows you to mount a piece of wood or a flat surface to a conduit frame, and the flat surface sits on top of the conduit like so, and then you use a screwdriver or a drill to put a screw up through the hole here into the material. Here's kind of what that looks like on a build. So we have a tabletop securely mounted to the frame, and that's really cool and a great way to mount surfaces on top of a frame. But what you can do is actually orient the one-hole strap upside down like so, and this allows you to mount a surface flush with conduit just like this. And you mount it to the frame the exact same way. You just use a screwdriver or a drill to secure the screw into the material, and this allows you to mount the material flush with the conduit. And something really cool is you could make a quickly removable top just like that. It pops off, you can take the top off and then just line it back up, push it back into place. It pops in place really easily. And it's a really cool trick to actually make a flush mounted surface that can be taken off quickly. And the only thing holding the material is the 4 one-hole straps, and you could put more all along if you wanted to, but this is surprisingly strong. It works really well. That's a cool trick from Ken in the community. We love seeing it. We can't wait to see how you guys use it in your projects. Thanks so much for watching.